In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign up on Constant Contact Affiliate Program. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Constant Contact Affiliate Program page. It is important to use the official website so you are viewing the correct application process and the most up-to-date program information. Once the page loads, take a moment to review what the affiliate program offers. This can help you better understand the program before you apply, including how the partnership works and what they may expect from affiliates. When you are ready to continue, look for the Join or Apply button on the page. Click that button to open the affiliate application form. This is the form you will need to complete in order to request access to the program. As you fill out the application, enter your personal details and business information carefully. Make sure everything is accurate and current, since the affiliate team may use this information to evaluate your application. You will also need to explain how you plan to promote Constant Contact. Be clear and honest in this section. For example, describe the platforms or channels you use, such as a website, blog, social media, content marketing, or email marketing if applicable. The goal here is to show that you have a legitimate promotional method and that your audience is a good fit for the brand. Take your time before submitting the form. It is a good idea to review all of your entries one more time to make sure there are no mistakes or missing details. A complete and accurate application can help avoid delays during the review process. Once everything looks good, submit your application. After submission, the Constant Contact affiliate team will review it. This review is meant to confirm that your promotional methods align with their brand guidelines and program standards. Depending on their process, approval may not be instant, so be prepared to wait a little while for a response. During this stage, keep an eye on the contact method you used in your application, since that is usually how updates are sent. If your application is approved, you will typically receive instructions on what to do next and how to access your affiliate resources. That covers everything you need to know.